They're going to put butter in that also. Okay, I'm getting ready to do roasted turkey legs, and I'm putting a little piece of butter each of the turkey legs. I have to read my scripture on this one also. Okay. Well, hello everyone. I'm getting ready to do roasted turkey legs on this today. I hope everyone is blessed. I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed. And you all are also blessed. Okay. Cast thy bread upon the water, for thou shalt find it after many days. Ecclesiastic 11:1. Okay. Those that wait upon the Lord, they should inherit the earth. Psalms 37:9. Thank you so much. So I'm getting ready to roast turkey legs. I have 3 roasted turkey legs. And on inside the turkey legs, I have placed a pat of butter on them. That's in order to season them all the way through with the butter with a good flavor. Because sometimes everything is not really flavored, doesn't have a lot of fat or anything on it. So I'm trying to do something to make sure that we have flavor in it, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do now, we have the peppers cut up in it, and carrots, and going to put potatoes in it also. And onions. Oh, you got the onions, okay. All right. I need to get the green bell peppers, celery to put in there also. Okay, I'm going to be throwing my the green bell peppers in here. All right. This is the celery that I'm putting around. Okay. So now I'm going to be putting on my seasoning. This is my complete onion powder. Garlic powder. Okay. And my black pepper.
Okay, y'all.
The mushroom soup.
She got that good and seasoned, so now she can put the mushroom soup on it.
Okay. this is it. So I'm getting ready to put it in the oven for about an hour. About hour and a half, and on 350, and I will bring it out when it's be ready. Thank you so much. Oh, this is the final presentation of my roasted turkey legs. It was roasted with the potatoes, bell peppers, and all of these things. So I thank you all, and I hope you will enjoy this one also, because this is very good also. And God bless you, and you have it. DJ has already done her tasting for today. She didn't. Not going to show it to you, but it's very good.
It's very good, y'all.
And it's very off the chain. Really, all of this is off the chain dinner, and all this is a good winter day dinners that I have for today. So thank you all so much. Check it out on the video. It's going to go well, and I know you will like it. Thank you so much for Miss Lena. This is for our Sunday dinner in the month of January. Thank you, and have a blessed day, a blessed week coming up. Thank you so much. Have a blessed one. Goodbye.
Goodbye, y'all.